If you are researching Kerassentials and want to know if it really works to eliminate nail fungus and maintain skin health, keep watching. In this video, all the essential information will be presented clearly and directly to help you make the best decision before purchasing. Kerassentials has gained attention as an effective solution for those who have tried various treatments for nail fungus without success. Its formula combines essential oils and vitamins that work together to combat the fungus from the root, relieving itching, bad odor, and helping to restore damaged nails. Additionally, the product also contributes to overall skin health, providing a healthier and more hydrated appearance. One of the main advantages of Kerassentials is the combination of natural ingredients that really make a difference. For example, lavender oil helps protect nail keratin, while flaxseed oil strengthens the skin's natural immunity. Additionally, almond oil prevents infections, and tea tree oil is widely recognized for its antifungal properties. The presence of aloe vera in the composition also offers benefits such as deep hydration and relief for sensitive or irritated skin. This unique blend of components allows the product to not only fight fungus, but also provide complete care for nails and skin. The product is extremely easy to use. After a shower, simply apply Kerassentials directly to the nails and affected skin. This practical application ensures that the active ingredients are effectively absorbed, speeding up the results. With continuous use, you can observe stronger, healthier nails without signs of fungal infection, as well as more beautiful and irritation-free skin. Many people have already tried Kerassentials and shared impressive transformation stories. There are reports from those who had been struggling with persistent fungi for years and finally found a solution. It is no wonder that the product already has thousands of positive reviews, highlighting not only its effectiveness but also the quality of the treatment offered. Customers say that Kerassentials has completely changed their care routine, bringing more confidence and comfort to their daily lives. Additionally, Kerassentials stands out as a safe option since its formula is completely natural, free of harsh chemicals, and made in certified facilities in the United States. For those looking for safety and real results, this is a smart choice. The product is also GMO-free, which reinforces its commitment to health and well-being. If you still have doubts, it is worth mentioning that Kerassentials offers a 60-day satisfaction guarantee. This means that you can try the product risk-free, knowing that if you are not satisfied, your investment is protected. This guarantee shows the brand's confidence in the product's effectiveness and provides peace of mind when purchasing. It is important to remember that Kerassentials is not sold in physical stores or other websites. To avoid imitations and ensure the original product, the link to the official site is in the description of this video. This could be the perfect opportunity to safely and effectively restore the health of your nails and skin. Kerassentials is a practical and efficient solution to keep your nails and skin healthy without itching or bad odor. Do not miss the chance to transform the health of your nails and skin today. Click on the link in the description and start this change now. See you in the next video.